First, look at these. You can't believe if I tell you I've created the entire video, animations, motions, transitions, UI, sound effects for free using Claude and Remotion. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude and Remotion for free to create these kind of animations step by step. And good news, you're not going to pay even $1 for these AI tools. By the way, my name is Burhan and here is Builder Labs. I hope you had a good day so far. Without further ado, let's build it. Okay, the first step is to download the required AI tools. Tool number one is Claude. In here you can download the Claude for Mac by clicking on that link. And as you can see, my download is started and I can see the process. And the tool number two is Node.js. You can download for both Mac and Windows and Linux going through the link in here, Node.js. And then you can see different platforms you can download the Node.js for. And then you can go ahead and click on that button here, get Node.js, and then you can download it right away. Okay, you can see macOS installer.pkg. And then you can go ahead and download using the terminal as well. But the most convenient way is to go ahead and simply download the installer package, which is in PKG file right here. And then you can install directly to your MacBook. As you can see, the download is started. And installing these applications on the MacBook and Windows is really easy. You can go ahead and just clicking on the next button and then the application will be installed on your platform. Tool number three is OpenCode. You can go ahead and download from their side in here and then download button right here to download for macOS. The platform will automatically detect your OS to download the required and compatible package for your system. So if I click on that here, download for macOS, my download process will be started in a second. Installing this application on both Windows and Mac is really easy just by clicking on next button right after each other, and then the application will be installed on your platform. You'll be able to use these applications for free. And then I'm going to show you how to use Claude, Remotion, OpenCode to create these kind of animations for $0. So stay tuned. After installing these softwares, the first step is to go ahead and open Claude. So as you can see, I'm in the free version of Claude. Not paid subscriptions, not API key or Claude Code. The free, simple version of Claude. So in here, in this box, you can go ahead and simply copy and paste the same prompt. As you can see, the Claude is creating a zip file included sound effects, required quotes, and everything else needed for a Remotion project to be created. After this process, we'll be able to download the zip file and then we can go ahead and simply assign OpenCode to the same project to render the video with motion. And in this specific project, I'm creating the subscribe button motion graphic for YouTube videos with Claude. Okay, the next step is to download the prepared zip file right here from the Claude. Alright, in this step, the Claude has understand everything we need to create this Remotion project. So in here, we have some codes, some files, sound effect, MP3s, and other things needed to create a Remotion project. In here, you can simply click on download and open. Alright, here is the folder we're looking for. And then it contains everything we need. So the next step is to go to OpenCode right here. And then by simply clicking in button right here and add project, go ahead and locate the same folder we just downloaded from the Claude. All right, and then click on open. All right, perfect. As you can see, here it is. And then you should go ahead and enter the same prompt in here and simply click on here. You can also change the model, PicPickle and DeepSeek V4 Flash free. These are the most powerful models you can use for almost free. And then you can click on the same model, PicPickle, and then click on that button right here. Perfect. Now wait and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, now as you can see, our prompt has been processed and here is the result. Perfect. Now to see the final MP4 result, just go ahead and simply enter render the final video. Let's see. Perfect. As you can see, here is our video, but you can do something more interesting. Go ahead and enter run npm and let's see. And then easily click on the third option, npm run dev, and submit. Perfect. As you can see, it opened a new tab in my Google Chrome, and then I'm able to see the final result just by clicking on the play button right here. Okay, as you can see, it is beautiful, animated, containing my channel's name, subscribe button, and notification bell, containing all of the sound effects needed, and the most important thing is they are completely synced and perfect together. And the secret I'm going to show you in this video is to use Pinterest styles for free to create your own customized animations with the same AI tools. Again, for free. And then you can go ahead in Pinterest to search for different types of subscribe button and channel names, logos, images, and then simply take a screenshot and then upload the same screenshot to Claude and ask to create the same file for you, and then the same process. Upload the same file created by Claude to OpenCode and then ask to create the same animation with your own style. And then, for example, in this page, I was searching for different types of animations and images. For example, I like glass-like buttons, like Apple advertisements, and then these are, beautiful. You can even make something like this, or something like this, or this kind of buttons, or Instagram pages, or the virtual phones, and then they are beautiful. And then let me show you how you can do that. Okay, for example, I like this kind of design, like glass-like buttons, and then I uploaded the same screenshot to Claude to create the quotes related to the same style. And then you can do that right here. You can go to Claude, and then by clicking on the plus button right here, attach files or photos, and then click on the screenshot you want to upload, and then go ahead and simply enter the same prompt we entered in the first step, adding the same line right here. Please create the result based on the attached file. And then copy and paste the same prompt we had before. The rest of the process remains the same. But now let me show you the things I've created with the same AI tools for free before. Okay, as you can see, there are different projects I've created with the same Remotion and Claude. And you can find the rendered files by going to the same folder we've downloaded from the Claude, and then in the output folder. All right, as you can see, here is our file. Good. And then you can simply copy and paste the files you need to include in the animation in the public folder right here. Okay, as you can see here, the audio files Claude made for us. Good. And then if you want to include your own channel's logo in the animation, you can go ahead and simply copy and paste in the public folder, and then ask the Claude and OpenCode by searching and adding the name of the file to include in the animation. And then here are more results I've created with the same process. And here is the glass-like buttons. And also the last thing I'm going to tell you, in here, if you click on render and server-side render, you can go ahead and simply customize the output properties, and then by clicking on the render video, you will be able to render the same video at the same time, or simply clicking by audio and download and render only the audio file. If you like this kind of content and you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and also like this video. If you have any issue or you need any help, please don't forget to leave us a comment. So our team will definitely respond to your comment as soon as possible, and will help you to solve your issue. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next build. Take care.